join the family, guys. We're on the road to 1,000. We hit that 500 mark, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so please stay tuned for that video. But anywho, you guys, this is going to be a hair tutorial, as you can tell from the title and from the ratchetness of my head, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I get a nice popping wash and go on my type 4 hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. So if you guys have watched my hair tutorials before, you know that I like to shampoo and condition with the TRESemmé Bontanique. It's really hydrating. Even the shampoo is hydrating. Even the shampoo is hydrating. So if you have dry hair or type 4 hair and you want something nice and hydrating, I really recommend these products. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and condition my hair, section it off, and I'll be back to show you guys what products I'm going to use for this popping wash and go. So I'm back from washing my hair, and I'm now going to show you guys the products that I will be using. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed. I got this for about $2.50 from my local Dollar General. I'm also going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil. It's a curling cream. I got this for about $4, I believe. Some shea butter, this Elvive oil from L'Oreal, and this Anti-Humidity smoothing milk from Garnier Fructis. You guys, please ignore the glare on my glasses, but your girl got to see. So I like to start from the back. I have my hair in 4 sections. So I'm going to start back here. And as you guys see, when I started this video, my hair was straight. So if you guys would like to see how I straighten my hair, I will leave it linked up here somewhere. So go watch that video, you guys. No heat damage, okay? So I'm just going to make sure that my hair is nice and tangled. And it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of my shea butter on my hair. It's my moisturizer. So after I have a nice coating of shea butter, I'm going to take some of my oil, and I'm just going to take a couple pumps. Also put that in my hair. Then I'm going to use the smoothing milk. I'm going to comb through my hair again, just one more time, because my hair likes to, you know, do its own thing. Next, I like to re-wet my hair. This is nice hot water. I like to use hot water because it hydrates my hair better, and it opens it up so that the products can actually like seep through my freaking stubborn strands. So once my hair is nice and wet, I like to section it off again. Next, I'm going to go in with my African Pride curling cream. This is what it looks like. If it'll focus, it's kind of thick, but not super thick. So I'm just going to take some and just apply it to my hair. I'm really heavy-handed with my products, and you guys will start to see that. So I rake it through. I like to apply it to my ends first and then work it up towards my roots. And as you guys can see, I already have a nice amount of definition going on here, like with that product alone. I love it, you guys. So once I have that product nice and worked through, I'm going to move on to my Eco Styler, and I'm going to apply that the same way. I'm just going to take about this amount to start with, and I'm going to start at my ends and work it up to my roots. And as you guys noticed, I'm just using my fingers. I'm not going to use a Denman brush or anything like that, just my fingers. And I'm also not going to shingle. I'm just breaking it through with my fingers like I'm detangling. And I actually want some more gel on my ends and at my roots, so I'm just going to go in with more as I need it and just work it in. And you guys, look at that definition. It's crazy definition. I could use a little more gel right here though in the kitchen. But it's crazy definition, guys. freaking last. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that again, finishing off the rest of this section, and then I'm just going to speed through and show you guys finished product. Since I already applied all of the other products to this one, I'm just going to re-wet it because I like to work on my hair like drenched when I'm doing wash and goes because it helps with definition. If it's drenched, I'm going to recomb it again because like I told you guys, my hair is stubborn. It has a mind of its own. So I just want to make sure that it's nice and detangled because as you guys know, I'm running my fingers through my hair. So I don't want to be ripping my hair out with my fingers. Next, I'm going to go ahead and move back into the curling cream. I'm going to add a little more. Like I told you guys, I am heavy-handed with my products, okay? Don't judge me. It just works for my hair because my hair is so stubborn. So it's like the more product, the better. So once that's nice and worked through, going back in with my Eco Styler. Nice and separated. Just look at it. It's so beautiful, guys. So moving on, and let me fix my lighting because the sun is starting to set and I like to be lazy and start recording at the last minute. So let me fix my lighting, guys. That's much better. So yes, you guys, this is what my hair is looking like. So defined and separated, bouncy. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this side. I'm just going to repeat all the things that I did to this side. So I'm gonna go in with my Shea butter. After the Shea butter is the oil. Next, I'm going in with the Anti-Humidity milk. And that's the last product that I add, so I'm going to go ahead and re-spray my hair with my hot water, which is pretty much warm now. Give it a nice little comb. Curling cream. Into the Eco Styler because I just really love this combo. Like, you can just see how my hair shrinks up. It's crazy. So that's nice and through, and you can see that freaking definition, you guys. Just, it's crazy. Straight in with the curling cream. After the curling cream, going back in with the Eco Styler and just apply that the same exact way. My hair finished. I'm going to give you guys a little 360. Ignore that phone. So this is the side that I started with. It's starting to shrink up and dry. So that's what that's looking like. A little back view. And then the side that I just finished that's still pretty much soaking wet. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of my hair. And I'm going to get back to you guys once I'm done with that. So keep watching. it's not popping. Like, come on now. I usually air dry, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna diffuse or not, just that you guys can see what it looks like dry. Or I just might insert a couple of pictures for you guys so that you guys can see it. But this is the finished product. It's so beautiful, you guys. I love it. Again, the products that I used was the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed, and the Shea Butter and Flaxseed by African Pride. So these are the products, you guys. These are like the bomb, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more natural hair videos from me or hair videos in general, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video.